video is going to be about the mistakes that I made as a model. I have spent quite like 3 years in modeling. I was like 17 when I did this first beauty pageant in my area and I won it. And then I moved to Delhi for college. For the first 1 year I had a contract. Now I am contractless, a freelance model. Talking about the mistakes that I made as a model, trust me, I've made tremendous mistakes. Itne sare. First one is not being selective with the job that I want to do. First when I came to Delhi, I was like, okay, I'm a model, I have to keep doing this, keep doing that. I was doing barters, I was doing like low payment modeling gigs, which was not really necessary. I was just working with clients recklessly. It doesn't align with my future goals. I wanted to go completely in the field of fashion. So like print shoots, if you guys don't know, print shoots are the kind of shoots that happens that you see in magazine covers, billboards, basically the photo shoots. So print shoot is a category that I was mostly dedicated towards because as I'm short as well, I don't get runways much. I used to do literal collaboration shoots and the collaborations just में sometimes मुझे products भी नहीं मिलते थे. I just used to get the pictures. That actually made the bar very low. I became very desperate to build my portfolio कि I used to do a little too extra. Like I used to do the shoots that I should be charging around 40-50,000 for free, which was not good for me and my. I was very reckless with my safety as well. मैंने बिना सोचे समझे चीज़ें करी है. What happened this one time, I had this agency जिसका director wanted to like see me and like do the look test on me. So basically what happens is after you share the portfolio, for any project you have to go for a look test, maybe or may not be. So he just called me for a look test. Never ever go and meet any casting director alone, specifically in a private seating. It's very wrong. It's very wrong. The guy was trying to force himself on me. Like he had outfits, like outfits he wanted to shoot me in so that he can see ki if I fit the vision of the next project or not. Now while I was trying the outfits, the guy just used to knock at the door. He used to be like, are you done? Are you done? It's fine. I'm just coming in. Blah 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 blah. Uस time पे I was like, maybe I'm just taking too long to get ready. मैंने ज़्यादा सोचा नहीं. But the guy was like, okay, let's do the shoot. Let's go to the shower. Let's picture this. The time when we went to shoot it in the shower, I know I shouldn't have. I know. That was the time when he actually lost control. And he was like, please can I just, when I actually realized what's happening, I was like, I should start roasting him. I don't know where it came from, but it worked. Like he was like, okay, can I just hug you? I was like, ew, I don't like hugging nasty people. I don't know why I said that. And I was like, oh, I don't like hugging people. I like my personal space, blah blah blah. And that was like very bitchy move from my side. And I was like trying to roast him and trying to make sense. And somehow I just ran out. A clear contract. Oh my god. I have a complete story on this. The promised amount that was mentioned me in the mail was not paid to me. No contract was signed. So models do this one thing. What I did, जिसकी वजह से they said कि वो मुझे payment नहीं करेंगे, was that I uploaded one behind the scenes from that shoot in my story. और shoot वूट हो गया. I got the advance ऐसे. Advance था मेरे पास, but the post amount after the shoot that was promised to me was not paid. So I didn't really knew कि मुझे stories upload नहीं करने हैं, and that was also just one behind the scenes. This one jewelry shoot that I went for, I didn't sign the contract for the same. The pictures didn't came out the way that they wanted to because lighting issue या कुछ भी है. I didn't receive the amount and I had to go once more for the same shoot ताकि उनकी लाइटिंग अच्छी हो जाए, उनकी इक्विपमेंट्स अच्छी हो जाए टू गेट द शूट डन. सो यू हैव टू हैव ऑल ऑफ दिस मेंशन कि ओके यू विल बी वर्किंग ऑन दिस डेट फॉर दिस ब्रांड, दिस मच चेंजेस यू विल हैव एंड दिस विल बी द अमाउंट दैट विल बी पेड टू यू. इसका कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होना चाहिए. बिकॉज ऑफ दीज काइंड ऑफ मिस्टेक्स आई वाज ओके विद द अमाउंट. बट या ओके इट्स फाइन. नेक्स्ट, not setting boundaries. Imagine the situation like you're a model, you're going out for a shoot and the shoot guy goes saying ki, you know what, try this, try that, try just removing this a little bit, like trying to push you to do more Can be in the cases of like hours, okay, you have to work a little more. Sometimes the outfit also comes to be transparent, and I have not agreed for that kind of photo shoot for this online website or wherever you're posting, and you're also paying me less for that. As people like try to just push you off, be like, hey, it's fine, it's just one picture. But no, it's not just one picture. You're not paying me enough for this. Neither did I agreed for it, and I don't want to shoot it. You should like literally stop. अगर तुम्हारे boundaries push कर रहा है कोई तो you should be like, no, I'm not doing that. Since I have been modeling from the last 3 years, I would say like 17, 18, 19. One more mistake that I made is not having an online presence. If you see my Instagram, I do not post pictures religiously on it. I don't have that great of an online presence as of now. It's not just the brand deals that you get from Instagram. Instagram is like your digital portfolio that anyone can access from anywhere. So you have to keep posting your photographs, your reels. Reels actually helps you a lot to grow. And photographs so that people will know how you look, how you pose in front of camera. I've also gotten like many modeling gigs through Instagram, and I would say most of the people जिनसे मैं आज connected हूँ, those are through Instagram only. So it's like very important for you guys to work on an Instagram and have a good presence, good online presence. This one. So I have not been organized in my beginning 2 years. एक दिन में casting हो रहा है, उसी दिन में I have another shoot as well. So I was not organized. I didn't used to have like a calendar. Okay, ठीक है. If I get the dates for the shoot, let me just clear the schedule and be like, okay, this date is already booked. But now I have seen the change. I actually mark my calendars कि किस दिन I have what shoot, where I have to go. उसके हिसाब से ही I talk to other people. I cannot actually argue on this more. For some reason, जब मेरे exams आने होते हैं, the number of shoots and projects that I get is crazy. So it's like very important for you guys to clear out your schedule, make a calendar and be like कि ठीक है इस दिन I'm free, इस दिन I'm not free. So next time when I'm getting a casting call or like a call for a shoot, I'll know when to go, when to quote the date. When I started out, like बहुत पहले when I did the pageant, I used to compare myself. Like I used to compare myself a lot. It was not healthy, guys. So healthy competition is there in pageantry, modeling and everything, but that was extremely unhealthy. I used to compare myself on the basis of how I look. I used to hate my skin color, like hate. People were like telling कि भाई क्या हो गया तेरे skin color को? Oh my god, you used to look so pretty, so fair when you were young. अब क्या हो गया? Why are you so dark? What happened to your hair? Why is your knee so dark? And all of this bullshit. I used to hate myself. Like, I really wish that I'd never come across the teenage me, like the me who used to hate herself. I also used to hate my height. So I'm just 5'4", and I used to hate it. I was like, why am I not tall? I want to get this surgery done. I want to get this thing done. I'll take medications. I'll do this, that. I also went to the doctor because I was like, bro, I want to grow taller. Like, please help me. And the doctor lashed out. She was like, bitch, shut up. You have really good height. I used to literally put Colgate on my face. Like, what the f***? No. Trust me. No. Love yourself. For me, I know how you might feel if you do not like yourself the way you look. I know how you might feel कि you're not good enough, you should change, you will love yourself once you change and all that. I was there in those shoes once. But no. One day you will realize how beautiful the skin looks, how beautiful your body looks, how beautiful your curves are. So try to learn self-care, self-love, which is like very important. Do not compare yourself. You know what? You have your own uniqueness that makes you majestic, that sets you apart from crowd. You have your own personality, you have your own way of looking, thinking, doing stuffs. So be yourself and embrace it. It's very important, baby girl. I have not cared for myself enough when I was like younger. I just used to push myself off the limits कि no, I have to like live this hard life. I don't understand why people think कि to succeed in life you have to actually work hard. No, not at all. do not push yourself too much. You will actually suffer a lot. I got very sick, so I used to like go for shoots every day. I used to take college every day. I used to cook my own food, do my laundry, clean my home, everything. Assignments बहुत hectic हो गया था, बहुत ज़्यादा, and I needed a break. Also I was not doing very well mentally because I had toxic people in my life. So I have actually lacked in self-care a lot. How will you look good and have aura if you do not take care of yourself spiritually, mentally, physically? Not possible. Take yourself out. Take yourself out to have that food. Gift yourself. Okay, you know what, I do this a lot whenever I'm like very happy with myself, whenever I'm like, oh my god, you did really good in that test. I treat myself. It could be anything, like it could be anything. It could be my favorite meal that I cook myself. So when this one time I did this project, after I got paid and I came back from the shoot, I went to do my nails and my facial, manicure, pedicure, everything. And that is like a treat to me. In my job is okay, I also did a job briefly. When the job was done, it was like trying to treat myself well. I just took myself out on a really nice spa day, like massage and spa day, and then I gifted myself. I do try to take myself out once a week. Like, come on, I deserve it. Yeah, this one thing I would like to say is, no one's gonna treat you well if you do not treat yourself well. When I feel like I'm very tired, I cannot do anything, what I do is I think ki, what if I have a daughter? And that thinking actually helps. Like, I think of myself as my daughter, and I'm like, would I treat my daughter like this? Would I like let her sleep at night even when I'm like very tired and she's also like coming back from school or like tuitions or whatever? You know? And the answer is no, of course not. So I get up, make myself a meal, eat it, and then sleep. Whenever you feel like you're not treating yourself well, think of any of your loved ones. Would you treat them like that? The answer is no. And for you as a person, I'm not even saying this as a model. For you as a basic human being, it's very important for you to take care of your own self. Self-care is good for everyone. Do that. Now, I think this should be the last mistake that we all make. I do not invest on my skills much. As a model, what my skills are: posing in front of camera, practicing my poses, and I do not do that religiously. Honestly speaking, I do not practice expressions in front of mirror. It's bad. It's like bad. Modeling is also like, you know, gaining knowledge. The more you read, the more you gain knowledge. Same way as the more you practice, the more better you get in poses. If you guys are also feeling like this is one of your drawbacks, practice in front of mirror. We got to practice like movement in front of mirror. You have to like move, like, you know, you have to move and you have to see what suits. So for me, my left profile I feel like is better than my right profile. So what I do is, see, I told you, the left is better. What I do is, like, I used to practice, like, you know, posing with glasses, with honey, with fruits. This basically comes in the portrait category of photos, which is really important. I guess that was all for today. I have a class now. It's yeah, I have a class at like 1:30. It's 1:22 already. So that was it for today. Let me know if you like the video, and don't forget to comment below whatever your thoughts are, or what would you like to see next, or what I missed in the video. Of course, I missed a lot of things that should be pointed down, but it's fine. For us girlies, we should be glowing all the time. I'll just do my makeup a little and then leave for class. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.